We're gonna paint our cars. And we're gonna Scalextric cars. And we're gonna take it off.
And then we're gonna paint it with which color we want. And I'm gonna have these two colors, gold and silver. I'm just gonna have pink and silver. So I'm gonna take it off.
And it's 4 screws.
That
1, 2, 3, 4.
So I think we're gonna take it off, and then it's gonna help us.
Anti-clockwise.
Yeah.
The way the clock doesn't go. So if your clock's going back in time.
That one.
The sun.
Yeah.
The sun.
The sun.
Yeah.
And give it a
like
tap.
the sun. Like the sun goes. That goes.
And it needs quite a few turns, mate. And your screwdriver's got to be straight. I can help you.
And another thing, and you got holes in a thing, so you can make things, and you can put them on, and it's really fun.
I'm wondering if we can take the windows out so we don't have to tape them up. I think we can somehow, yeah.
So
Yeah, the windows.
like the windows are here.
This car was quite easy.
Yeah, that car, but this car was really hard. We need to cut it out.
This car was tough. There's 2 tabs at the front and 2 tabs at the back, which are sliced off with a cutting knife, and they were glued there. So just got in with knife and cut the glue off, and I cut this window, this support here, slice that. They'll go back together fine with a bit of glue. All right, should we spray them up with primer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, hello. Now we have sprayed the cars up, and this is mine. It's golden car, and this is the pink glittery car. And we're gonna put on some stickers. Elsa's gonna have this heart in the middle there. So we need to wait till it dries, and I'm gonna have some these are stickers and some of these maybe. And we're gonna put on lights, and they're like, yeah, lots of things here. And then we're gonna
Where are you going to put your stickers?
I'm gonna put my stickers.
They're cool stickers.
Yeah.
Animal stickers.
Oh, I want a Swedish flag on mine.
Swedish flag. I think there is a Swedish flag.
Yeah, we got
There.
three.
So these are the original.
There's one Swedish
Stickers
flag,
from
and
the
here's
cars.
one, and no, here's 2. 1, 2, and there's some
Okay.
odd
That's Norwegian, mate. Alright, so where do you want the heart, the diamond heart, Elsa? Come out alright. Elsa, nice pink.
This.
Yeah. And all this gold.
Nice gold.
Now we're going to sticker them up. I'll glue your little heart on. Where do you want it then? In the middle?
In the middle there.
And there's Elsa's pink heart.
There.
Elsa's very pink.
It's really cute. It's really so cute. I love pink. The middle is
Oh, it dries quick. About there.
Yeah.
Okay.
looks awesome.
That's going to need a minute or so to dry. So you can put your little stickers wherever you want. They're quite cool ones.
It's smileys.
So nice, you can put stickers on. Don't touch the heart though.
I've made my car now. Want to see it? Ta-ta! It's awesome!
This is my car.
And I got some stickers there. Let me just
This is my car.
And this is the finish. And I got some some of that. And I got lights there too. You want to see Elsa's car? It's awesome. It's only pink. Only pink. Of course.
I love pink.
No.
It looks like this. This is the front lights.
Lite framåt. This is the front lights, and they're really cool. These and
Elsa can
this is
show her car.
yeah.
This is the back lights.
She don't got any backlights.
Yeah, there's backlights on it.
Oh yeah.
This is the it looks like this in the middle.
So are we going to put the wheels back on and then we can test them?
In the middle.
Yes, of course. I'm
And
gonna pop in the toast.
only pink on the doors, and at the top, and there, and there.
Oh, you got your Swedish flag on.
Yes.
Let's have a look at your Swedish flags. You could bring it in.
Here's the Swedish flag. That's a bit.
And there's Alice's Swedish flag, and I think she's got one on the back as well. There. Come out all right.
My car is super nice.
The front lights reacted a little bit with the paint, so I've had to dab a little bit of super glue on it for Alice, but they work. Let's have a look at yours, Elsa.
It's just mine.
This is awesome. Elsa, nice big pink love art on the front. Put the lights on, put the lights on the rear.
Yeah.
Cool. You want to put them back on the bases now?
Yeah.
We have finished our own cars. They're new now. We made them. First they were old, now they're new. And we sprayed them and put stickers on.
Make sure you slow down on the corners, girls. Go on, Elsa. Elsa, you can go a bit faster, mate. Okay. These I've put on just so we can slide out on corners. Temporary, this track up here. It's going to go in the garage on a board. Elsa's sulking because she crashed off camera. Give us a smile, Elsa.
Thanks for watching our video. The next video is going to be me and Elsa doing a race with Daddy's special car.
So
he thinks it's super special, but it's not.
it is super special. It's an RS200 from 19... That car was released in 1989, I think, or 1990 from Scalextric.
It's really slow and not so good.
Well, it is quite slow, but it's a really good car. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a lap time with this car and then see if the kids can beat my lap time in their modern Scalextric cars.
I'm gonna beat everybody.
You're going to beat everybody. But I think that's a fair race. I've just done a few laps with Elsa and she's keeping up pretty good. So I'll true up the rear tyres on their new cars to give them a bit more of a chance.
Awesome.
And we'll see what happens. Do you like your new car?
Yeah, it's awesome.
I like them both. They're really good. Elsa's pink. Alice is gold.
Oh.
You've done well. But are you going to beat the RS200?
Yeah.
We shall see in the next video.